My name is Ashley and welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't have a costume, so I decided to be, you know, those like ghosts that have their hair like this and then they hop like this. So today I went to Lucky Plaza and thrift shopped 3 items. I also want to state that the cost of all 3 items is $5 only. Let me show you what I got. They're supposed to be white, but it ain't. Next, then I have these pants, white, but they're huge, and this will be the top I'm using. So if you can see, these are the items I got. So I'm gonna start with the sleeves. So I'm just gonna stick my hand in. I will make a marking and cut straight down. So I made a marking. As you can see, this is my wrist, and now I will cut straight down. Okay, got one sleeve done. So I used that piece as a reference and then I cut it. So now I have 2, and it doesn't matter if the lines are not straight. So here's the shirt. So messily, I just marked out some sort of V thing. I have this. So I tie up my hair so you can see, and it's around this length. So I'd say it's okay. So moving on, I will attach the sleeve to one of the sleeves in front, getting the thinner side of the leg thing mark where this part will go on your shoulder. If you feel like when you bend your hand it's a little awkward, you can cut out this extra part and just sew that over there. So I made a line there. I will cut this out and then pull it so that I can attach it that way. I also made a mark on the shirt where I will start sewing the circumference of the outfit. So now that I have cut it, when I bend it's easier. I am going to hand sew this. This project has been going on for 45 minutes already. So I sewed it and it looks like this. Oh, I'm kickstarting on the second sleeve and it's so difficult. I made a mistake while sewing. I didn't follow the black dot. I sewed it too low, in fact, and it was around there, which is pretty far from the black dot, so I had to re-sew the whole thing, which turned out to be kind of difficult. So just make sure that you stick to it. For this shirt, it is really huge and I think it will fit around my waist, so it will serve as the skirt. And bam! These I could sew them and tuck them in, decide later. Hold up, I might tie it at the back like this and then I don't know. So I did put on the top and I did cinch it at the back where I tied a knot, and I'm pretty proud of how it turned out. I think it was exactly as I imagined and I'm really happy, so I'm gonna show you a little something something. Woo-hoo! Wow! So yeah, that's the outfit. I don't know how to feel about it, but I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you next time.